Hi friends, this video shows how to connect air hose. See, this is a air hose. So I am going to connect this. So we have to take this end. And here you can see the air hose connector port. And we can just insert like this. Then rotate. Then just try to pull. See, this is not coming out. Now this is locked. Then this end we can connect to a car tire, or if you want to inflate football, so you can use this. You can just connect this here. See, so let me remove. So next I will show you how we can turn on this. So here you can see the power button. Just press this power button, press and hold. See, now this is on. And here you can set preset values. Just press this button. This is for car, then motorcycle, bicycles. This is for football. So if you want to again adjust, you can use this minus plus buttons. See. Then if you want to start, let me reduce this, make it 5. Okay. Then if you want to start, you can just press this power button. Just press. See. So this way we can use it. Okay, you can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.